Do you ever find yourself wishing you could manage your data more effectively in Power BI? Imagine the ease of creating relationships between tables, defining calculated columns and measures, all in one place. Welcome to the world of Power BI's data model, where shaping and organizing your data before creating visualizations becomes a breeze. Our journey begins with Power BI Desktop. Launch it and open your report. Make sure your data is loaded into the data model. A quick way to verify this is by going to the Home tab and checking if your tables are listed in the Fields pane. The next step is viewing your data model. This can be done by navigating to the Data tab. Here, you'll see a diagram of the tables and relationships in your model. Now it's time to create relationships. It's as simple as clicking and dragging a field from one table to a matching field in another. Power BI automatically creates a relationship for you. Managing these relationships is just as easy. Click on the Manage Relationships button in the Data tab to view and edit existing relationships. Here, you can set up cross-filter direction, enforce referential integrity, and edit relationships. Creating calculated columns is a breeze. In the Data tab, click on New Column and use DAX or Data Analysis Expressions, formulas to define calculated columns based on existing columns in your tables. Just like calculated columns, measures are a crucial part of your data model. Click on New Measure to create these dynamic calculations based on your data. Written using DAX, measures are often used in visualizations to aggregate or perform calculations on the fly. Scene script. Organizing data in a structured way is made easy with hierarchies. Right-click on a column and select Create Hierarchy to group related columns together. For setting the default sort order for a column, select the column, head over to the Modeling tab and choose Sort by Column. It's important to review and adjust the data types of your columns in the Data tab. Correct data types are crucial for accurate analysis. The Relationship View is a great tool to visually organize and manage your relationships. To access this, click on the View tab and select Relationships. And remember, clarity is key. Give meaningful names and descriptions to tables, columns, relationships, calculated columns, and measures to enhance clarity and documentation. In the Fields pane, you can right-click on fields and choose to hide them if they are not necessary for your analysis. After all these steps, don't forget to save your Power BI file and click on Close and Apply to apply the changes to the report. By effectively managing the data model in Power BI, you're laying a solid foundation for accurate and insightful data analysis and visualization. So go ahead and explore the power of Power BI's data model and let your data tell its story. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such insights. Thank you.